What is up? My name is Cassie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is so great to have you here. You literally already made my day by just clicking on this video, so thank you so much. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I am doing a what I got for my birthday video. This is kind of like an annual thing for some YouTubers, including me, so just a little disclaimer.
And then I proceeded to ramble about how I'm not trying to offend anybody and how I'm grateful and everything, which this is still true, but also I feel like you guys have seen a million videos like these. You guys don't need a lengthy disclaimer, so let's just get into it.
The food category, which this is personally the most exciting category to me because I love food, I love snacks. That's pretty much all I got. I'm planning on making a little snack corner in my room. It's gonna be right over there. I'm picturing it now. It's gonna be adorable. So that's the plan, but until then, we have Skinny Pop, and it's actually like a bunch of little bags, which is great. I think the person that gave this gift to me knew that I don't have the best self-control, so they're like, hey, we'll help her out and we'll make a bunch of smaller portions instead of one big portion. Anyways, I got some Sun Chips, which love Sun Chips. I also got some spicy hot Cheetos, which if you didn't know, I am vegan. I've been vegan my entire life, but I have a couple foods that are exceptions for me that I just don't care and I will eat it anyways. And one of them is spicy hot Cheetos, the lime flavored. Guys, it is literally heaven. Heaven. Oh, I love it so much. Like, what can I say? It's so good. Okay, this is a little heavy, but I got this, some LaCroix and the Raz cranberry flavor. I'm literally getting an arm workout right now because it is so hard to hold this. I'm gonna, yep, just cradle it like a baby. Honestly, if this was the only thing I got for my birthday, I wouldn't be mad about it. The next thing I got is this thing. Oh, did I just break it? I swear, if I just randomly broke it. Wait. I fixed it. Okay, I know you guys have all seen them, and like, yes, I guess I'm basic now, but like I was basic before that, so I think we're okay. But this is one of those TikTok light things, and I've been using this for the past couple nights, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I got this reusable cup, and it's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie to you. Dang nabbit, guys, now it's empty. Okay. I also got this pajama set, and oh my word, feel the texture, guys. Feel the texture. Here, feel this one too. Isn't it so soft? I can't even. It is literally the softest thing in the world, and it doesn't even look that soft. And it's so light. It's just gonna make me so happy whenever I wear these. And if I wasn't already enough of a visco girl, I also got a bunch of scrunchies. I seriously got so many scrunchies. Like, they cute. Trust me, they cute. I can't wait to add all of these to my collection, which is already an outrageous amount. Next, I got these fuzzy socks, which I'm gonna open right now. Yeah, they're little bear paws. Guys, don't tell me that's not the cutest thing you've seen. Look, I'm a panda bear. I also got some bath bombs, which I love. Let's see if I can put my elementary school juggling class to good use. My parents are proud of me, I promise. I am literally breaking the packaging, so we're gonna stop that. Next thing was this music box. Which, like, by the way, music boxes are like low-key mesmerizing. You best believe I also got some face masks because is it my birthday unless somebody gives me face masks? I just don't think so. So I got these 3 face masks. I'm really excited for these because I think they're the peel-off kind, and I've never really had a peel-off kind. And it also came with this applicator, which I'm low-key the most excited for because I've never had a face mask applicator and I've always had to use my hands. And it just doesn't work out as well. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this feels so good. When I first got it, I took it out of the packaging and just went like this for way longer than I would like to admit to, but very satisfying. And I don't even know why. And then I also got this book. It's called Atomic Habits by James Clear. And if you know me in real life, I am not a huge reader. I don't read books on the daily unless like a teacher assigns it. So it's weird that I literally asked my mom like, yo, can you get this for me for my birthday? And she did, obviously. And I just honestly heard so many people recommend it, like Annie Long, Ava Jules, and I love them both. So I definitely decided to give it a go. And I'll definitely make sure to let you guys know if I love it on my Instagram or something. So definitely hit me up there and ask me in maybe like a month or two, because that's probably how long it's gonna take me to read it. And now after like an hour of filming, I have finally gotten to the last item. And honestly, it still hasn't set in. Like, I can't believe that I own this. This is mine. You know? I don't know how to explain it. You know what? I just need to show you guys. I got AirPods! Is that not insane? Oh my word. Like, guys, I am not cool enough to wear these. Do I look cool enough to wear these? No. Do these even look cool on me? No, sir. And this gift also holds a super special place in my heart because all of my siblings literally pitched in to buy this for me, which is insane. And I can't really hear myself talk, so I'm gonna take these out for now. And like one of my siblings said, once you go wireless, you ain't going back. And I have realized that so much the past couple days that I've been using them. And can we also just take one moment of your time and appreciate how great this box sounds? I promise I'm not turning into an ASMR channel, don't unsubscribe, but I love it so much. Okay guys, that is absolutely all I have for you guys today, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I mean, obviously I do YouTube for you guys, and myself too, because I need something to do, but also, you guys, I see you. Which also, can we just take a moment and appreciate how we just reached 10,000 subscribers recently? And I kind of just low-key feel like that was a birthday present from you guys to me without even knowing it, and that seriously means so much, so thank you. But that is absolutely all I have for you guys. I know I've told you guys this 1,000 million times, but I love you. And you're a pretty amazing person. Don't you dare forget it. Okay, bye!